going on, you guys? Charlie here from MAPerformance, and today we're coming to you live with a 5-Minute Friday. And today we're reviewing the Holley EFI digital dash that's going in my boy Kurt's E36 drift car. This thing's full of bald eagles and screaming American freedom. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going because we got 5 minutes to fully review this product for you guys right here, right now. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? It's Kurt from MAPerformance here. Today we're going to talk about my Holley dash and Holley Terminator X systems that I picked up for my E36 behind me here. Alrighty guys, so to start we're going to talk about this Holley 7-inch dash for the Terminator and Dominator systems. This Holley 7-inch dash has a fully customizable display with all your EFI inputs. It's a virtual switch panel. You can replace the need for any physical toggle switches and have everything you need on the dash. It has multiple gauge and indicator types all across the board. The reason I got this dash is because I wanted to eliminate some of the gauges that I have in my car. Now with the Holley system, I'm able to utilize all the inputs that system provides and have everything right here on the screen. With my car particularly, I really wanted to have like oil pressure, tach, fuel pressure, all that stuff will be right here on their super nice digital display. That's the main reason I wanted to run it. It fits super nice in the dash, so they make a few different variants of this. The 7-inch one is the one that fits best for my application. I will still be using this screen as well. This is the 3.5 that comes with the Terminator X kit. I'm going to use them for different functions each. Luckily, you can link them all together, which is super neat. It's all on the CAN system. They have the CAN plug on the back right here. The main reason I just wanted this is because now that I'm off my stock ECU, moving to a standalone system, it'll give me more functionality that I'm looking for with an aftermarket setup. So, next up, my favorite part is the Holley Terminator X ECU and standalone harness for the LS swap platform. This is honestly the best standalone aftermarket LS system you can buy. This thing actually works with more than just GM vehicles. They do these for Hemi, other things. I'm a man of bald eagles. I like my LSs, but they do offer support for other platforms. Main reason I went with this is honestly, you can't touch it for the money. This is $1,000. This is a full standalone. It comes with the harness, everything that we kind of reviewed in the unboxing. It comes with your sensor outputs, it has a 3.5-inch display, which you can fully set up, program. You can tune a base map onto your car. It's a self-learning system. So you set your target air fuels, your injectors, a few other parameters, and the system will actually teach itself like how to run the car. Essentially, it'll tune itself at least enough for you to get it to actual shop to get dynoed or whatever. The harness is like super nice, well loomed. Everything's got weather pack connectors. It's plug and play. Honestly, the easiest thing. They have a few different injector options you can go with. Do EV1, EV6. Comes with a LSU 4.9 wideband sensor, which is like the newest, like the best wideband sensor available at this time. This has an integrated map sensor, so you just hook up your 1-bar map sensor right to this, a hose running off your intake manifold or whatever. If you're running a boosted application, you can go to a bigger map sensor, like a 2.5, 3-bar, whatever you need for your setup, all easily programmable with this. The last 2 seasons on my car, I've ran a stock ECU. This year I went to a 58X Gen 4 motor, which they do offer support for 24X and 58X engines. This is a Gen 4 58X. I wanted a standalone so that we could do a little better tuning. That's the main reason I wanted to go with the standalone this year. Holley, honestly, can't beat it. It's a great setup. I'm super excited to be partnered up with Holley for the 2021 season. These products are excellent, and if they perform anywhere as near as the rest of the world says they do, I can't wait. This is gonna be fun to get on the dyno, see what this thing can make. If you guys are looking for an awesome LS standalone for your V8 project, no matter what it is, you should definitely consider the Holley. It's a great option and will have all the support you need.
All right, you guys, there you have it. If you're looking for this Holley EFI digital dash for your car, go ahead and check that link down in the description or head over to MAPerformance.com. Otherwise, make sure you smash that like button, leave a big comment down below letting us know what you think, and subscribe for future videos like this. Until next time, peace.